Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Long time no see. It's this week's channel shout out. I got a couple mail calls to share with you too. Hope you all are doing well. Let's jump right. Alright, so first of all I got a Christmas card here from my brother Tracy Phillips. Thank you, brother. And then also I got a Christmas card from Allie Carroll. Thank you very much, sister. Appreciate that very much. I actually need to get cards out myself. Bad mark. Been busy with work and stuff, but need to get that going. Previous drawings. And these are kind of clumping together. There we go. This week's channel drawing is. The one comes flying out. There we go. We have. Oh, cool. We have DiddyBushcraftnOutdoors. Real cool guy. Very cool guy. This is a shout out for you, brother. I'll make sure to link everybody's channel down in the description. Well, alrighty. There you go. Of course, like I said, I'll make sure to link all three channels in the description for you to check out. And as always, appreciate you watching. I do appreciate your patience. I would say I was enjoying my time off, but work's actually gotten busier since the last couple of weeks because today is day 13 in a row. Because my other coworker said that he threw his back out or something a couple of weeks ago, and another guy is actually on maternity leave because they do that here in Washington. He'll be out for 7 weeks, so 6 weeks now, since we're doing a week. So I hope he comes back soon. And yeah, it's been tough to get out and do anything. So anyway, have a great day. I'll enjoy your weekend. I'll catch you in the next one. And peace out.